Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Evernote. Let's dive into their core functionalities and help you decide which platform best suits your productivity needs. Notion offers a flexible, all-in-one workspace, perfect for complex projects and team collaboration. Evernote, on the other hand, focuses on efficient note-taking, web clipping, and reliable information archiving. We will explore their unique strengths, features, and pricing to guide your choice between these two powerful tools. Notion's block-based editor allows for incredible customization, letting you build anything from simple notes to intricate databases and wikis. It's fantastic for managing projects, tracking tasks, and fostering team collaboration. Evernote shines with its robust search, excellent web clipper for saving articles, and the ability to scan documents directly into your notes. It's perfect for quickly capturing information and building a reliable personal archive, making it a go-to for many individuals. When it comes to cost, Notion offers a generous free personal plan, providing unlimited blocks and pages for individual use. Evernote's free basic plan includes limited features and a 60-megabyte monthly upload capacity. Both platforms have paid tiers that unlock advanced features, significantly increase storage, and robust team functionalities. Importantly, both Notion and Evernote are highly accessible, with excellent applications available across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring your notes are always within reach. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your individual needs. If you require a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace for complex projects, databases, and team collaboration, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your priority is efficient note-taking, powerful web clipping, and reliable information archiving, Evernote excels. Consider your workflow and how you prefer to organize information. Many users even find success by leveraging both platforms for their distinct strengths, creating a powerful hybrid system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.